This is how to use the follow me tool in SketchUp. First of all, we can make the any line in here. We can use the 2-point arc for the example. Then we can place the arc in any position and this arc in any position in here. Okay, so this is about the path, and this is the before, and we can select move, tab control, and I will show you about the difference. Okay, and now we can make the profile with using the line and click from this position. Okay, we can use this profile and we can make the unique profile in here to make the profile, to make the custom profile. Okay, so we can select this one, select the line or the path, and we can select the follow me and just click these surfaces in here. So this is about the follow me tool. And now we can make group. Okay, and I will show you about the change the background, and I will make it more clearly enough. Okay, so that's it.